headlines. Churachandpur District Hospital selected for upgradation into medical college, says CM Biren. Congress MLA KH Joy Kishan attacks Education Minister over Class 11 question paper leak. And coronavirus death toll surges with 2,126 deaths worldwide. Infection stands at over 75,600. Hello, you're watching Times of Manipuri English News. I'm Mandira and now the news in detail. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh today informed the House that Churachandpur District Hospital is among district hospitals in 100 backward villages of the country to be upgraded into medical colleges. For this, the state government has given approval to the centre. Biren was responding to a call attention motion raised by Congress MLA K. Ranjit. The Chief Minister, who is also the leader of the House, also said that his government had proposed the centre for inclusion of Chandel, Thoubal and Churachandpur districts in the plan. However, he said Churachandpur District Hospital has been selected since the new plan needs 200 bedded hospitals. Opposition MLA KH Joy Kishan today targeted Education Minister TH Radheshyam in the House over failure to book individuals who were involved in the Council Class 11 paper leak. He said the cybercrime had initiated swift action when they were accused of using offensive language against the Chief Minister. The government should take the matter seriously, MLA Joy Kishan said while raising a call attention motion in the House. The protests over the question leak by student bodies, parents, guardians and social organizations have left the government in disgrace, he added. Joy Kishan demanded that the government place before the House the reason behind the question leak and action which has been taken against those involved in the case. Responding to the call attention motion, Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam said that it is a big question paper scam in Manipur. He told the House that the government, with the help of the Council, is investigating the matter. Those in the question leak case will not be spared, Radheshyam said. Hubei, the Chinese province at the center of the novel coronavirus outbreak, announced 349 new cases today, the lowest daily number of infections recorded by China in weeks. This appears to be partly due to a change in what is confirmed as confirmed case. At least 2,126 people are now dead from the virus, with all but 11 of those deaths in mainland China. The total number of infected worldwide stands at over 75,600, according to media reports. According to media reports, 2 people have died in Iran after testing positive for the new coronavirus, and passengers began leaving the quarantined Diamond Princess cruise ship. Meanwhile, Chinese leader Xi Jinping is striking an increasingly confident note that the country can control the coronavirus outbreak and manage the economic and social fallout, as some Chinese health experts predict a peak in infections by the end of the month. Chinese leaders, eager to kickstart economic activity, have dismantled some highway checkpoints, while businesses have begun to reopen. Attending the celebration of 34th Statehood Day of Arunachal Pradesh in Itanagar today, Union Home Minister Amit Shah hailed Prime Minister Narendra Modi for bringing peace and development in the country. Amit Shah kicked off the Statehood Day function by unfurling the tricolour. At the function, the Home Minister introduced the Arunachal Pradesh Industrial and Investment Policy 2020, unveiled the foundation stones of 7 development projects including MLA, apartment in Chimpu, a new police headquarter building and a new interstate truck terminal near ISBT in Itanagar. The minister also flagged off sanitary vehicles for urban area. On the occasion, Shah conveyed wishes to the people of Arunachal Pradesh. The Home Minister mentioned about the development activities in the northeast being taken up after Modi became the Prime Minister. He said that frequency of Bandh and blockades in Manipur and other northeastern states have been reduced significantly and there is development. Shah assured of protecting the interests and integrity of the northeast.
2014 के पहले नॉर्थ ईस्ट भारत के साथ भौगोलिक रूप से जुड़ा हुआ था, शासकीय रूप से जुड़ा हुआ था। नरेंद्र मोदी जी के प्रधानमंत्री बनने के बाद नॉर्थ ईस्ट हृदय से जुड़ा हुआ है, मन से जुड़ा हुआ है और आज नॉर्थ ईस्ट और भारत के बीच में कोई अंतर नहीं रहा। संपूर्ण भारतवासी मानते हैं कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट का विकास, नॉर्थ ईस्ट का आगे बढ़ना, नॉर्थ ईस्ट के नागरिकों का कल्याण, ये न केवल नॉर्थ ईस्ट समग्र देश की जिम्मेदारी है। और आज पूरा देश नॉर्थ ईस्ट मानता है कि पूरे देश के बड़े सीमा क्षेत्र का सुरक्षा और यहाँ पर भारतीयता की पहचान ये नॉर्थ ईस्ट के हर नागरिक की जिम्मेदारी है।
Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister Pema Khandu on the occasion expressed his gratitude to all the former leaders of the state. Khandu said that the state has been marching ahead in development sector, including connectivity. Donor Minister Dr. Jitendra, Union Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Kiren Rijiju, NEDA Convener and Assam Minister Hemant Biswa and Arunachal Pradesh Governor B.D. Mishra were also present during the celebration. Manipur People's Party Organization Secretary Mutum Nirmala today rejected the claim that the party candidate for Inner Manipur Lok Sabha election 2019, Oinam Jugindro, had borrowed a large amount of money from the public due to shortage of election fund sanctioned by MPP without the knowledge of other party leaders. The money was borrowed for his personal expenses, Nirmala told journalists today at a location in Wahengbam Lekai, Imphal.
Adugumba hariba huge amount lama election duga mari leinana star campaigner ne hariba amutombina thadaki haraga karigidamak election agent phamam dabano aduga polling hangam dabano aduga aingwanda sung phang phangdana aigi mingdasu wangjing ten tha AC da 1,63,000 amasu aigi mingda pali sisu kanana Karaida hariba senfam ase pikibage haibo afam dumani aina ngasi thamjari base presidential oigera finance management committee gi mioi oigera chenaram mioi singa dudi party mang na bai damakta leiba mioi ni haidana observer committee madi hauji hauji leijari ba office bearer ekoi mayam na sab chana stand tawra ga leiribani.
MPP General Secretary Election C.H. Joy Kumar questioned the party Central Committee's decision to remove party President O. Jugindro from the post by the Central Committee. He said the decision was against all rules and regulations. Joy Kumar also asked all concerned to submit a statement regarding the decision to the Observation Committee within 3 days.
Observation committee the moi sojo piga the banatra. Sarsida simulareco. So Aduna tapadi moina sojo pi the way maramdi. Mokoina to rising se lale have to Mokoina, Kangjadra, Mosidi, Sigum Amana Tigalaga de Koi Lonoxi Navatare, Hydra, Upsan Vianaba Napu Sasutor Torponi Central Committee. Obuni hariba musing ase so dikta sabi gi si loiliko convener ni simone people report.
A combined team of 16 Assam Rifles and Imphal East Commando arrested an active worker of the banned outfit Prepark Pro from Kongpal Thongkong Tinsid Road, Imphal East yesterday. The arrested was identified as Takhelambam Noren, aged 50, son of T. Nagin of Kongpal Laishram Lekai. Reports said that Noren was involved in carrying out extortion from the state government departments. He has been working as Kongpal branch postmaster for the outfit under its finance secretary named Irei. The main accused in Chongtham Marina murder case, Ayekpam Chinglinsana, was remanded to 5-day police custody by the court of CJM Imphal West. Chinglinsana was produced before the court today. A large number of enraged women stormed the court complex when the accused husband, Chinglinsana, was brought there. Notably, Chongtham Marina allegedly committed suicide by hanging herself at her residence at Takil Khongban, Lerak Achoba under Lamphel police station on 13th of February. Meanwhile, the Joint Action Committee against the unnatural death of Chongtham Ningol Ayekpam Ongbi Marina Devi submitted a memorandum to Chief Minister of Manipur and Biren Singh today. In the memorandum, the JAC urged the government to award stringent punishment to the accused husband Ayekpam Chinglen Sana. The JAC also demanded the government to find out the fact and circumstances surrounding Marina's death by February 21st. The authorized sub-dealership showroom of Suzuki Motorcycle India Private Limited was inaugurated today at Thopal Bazaar. HDFC Thopal branch manager Okram Arun Singh inaugurated the new showroom. Talking at the event, Managing Director Eastern Suzuki Imphal Haridas Sinam said that the showroom has been opened under Eastern Suzuki Imphal considering the inconveniences faced by Thopal residents while travelling to Imphal for buying vehicles. He added that the new showroom will deal in all types of two-wheeler vehicles, besides providing trained Suzuki mechanics to the customers.
Andaki koi stores ki opening ga mari leina na jo koi offer ma company de jo yam sabab ma lai offer se di koi free family vacation stay koi gari ama hu lai bi la di koi family to ki vacation koi international destination makhan makhan me am lai national amchu international city destination je koi ba sap kan na lai ba ko ba koi company na ko ki kutong sa am ko lai ani Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore, Dubai lam ma ma oi adu ki du chak kan na koi hi si Suzuki gari ma sam tang koi bising ram tang ki gari am tang lo ra ga si ki 2 nights 3 days ki lai ba ki kutong sa pe koi hi side ki ki ra ke
Daikin Solution Plaza, a new showroom of world's leading air conditioning company Daikin AC, was inaugurated today at Khari Awang Lekai in Imphal West. Director and Senior Vice President Operations East and North of Daikin Air Conditioning India Private Limited, Kuldeep Birmani, Chief Engineer PWD Manipur and Noren Singh, Retired Chief Engineer PWD TH Joy Kumar Singh, Managing Director of Manipur Industrial Development Corporation Limited SI Sharma, Chairman and Regional Director of the company Kunal Basu were present at the function. Cane and Bamboo Technology Center, Assam and National Bamboo Mission, Manipur State jointly organized a training program on bamboo processing machines at Common Facility Center, Sawombung, Imphal. Divisional Forest Officer R.K. Amarjit and Cane and Bamboo Technology Center, Assam, Manager H. Priyakumar were also present during the program. Additional Principal Chief Conservator of Forest, Dr. D.D. Haukip, said that the government is preparing for large-scale bamboo plantation in the state to boost economy, particularly in rural areas. He said that bad road connectivity in remote areas of Manipur is an obstacle to transportation of bamboo to other places.
Facility, common facility center is see the gas and boy the car of simple training, boy the suit and lega training to one lega, boy the massage bamboo, pura, boy massage Nanda the compound Zuka, Kano, Hopsida, bamboo single, boy the pura, processing the lega, the boy the suit, utilize the Java. Whatever. Speaker, slider, motor processing machine, we are not. According to some facilities, Manipur as a government, district money established.
A program showing solidarity with Citizenship Amendment Act, Inner Line Permit System and Regional Register of Citizens was held on the theme Meet Our Member of Parliament R.K. Ranjan Singh at Ningthokong Awang Pukrobi Community Hall, Bishnupur District. It was organized by former BJP candidate of Bishnupur constituency Pukhrambam Kumarjit Singh. MP R.K. Ranjan Singh, former BJP candidate of Bishnupur constituency Kumarjit Singh, Nachau Zilla Parishad member T.H. Dilip Singh and others attended the program.
Masih tunggu lagi hebat, suka membuat kabar di sini para orang, ada membuat sih karena bopinat mandiri sih karena bapak saya ada lagi. Maju lagi kaya juga, kerana bersama sama doktor mandiri sahaja. Masih itu proses yang aku membuat sekali. Asyik ini isu mandiri sih sahaja, bapak bapak saya apa? Kadang kuat di orang. Atau pemandiri, atau pemantau. Sangat berkorban masihlah lain orang minum berubah. Tapi bukan bersama. Ibu sih jadi semua sebagai sebab bersama.
sisu nasai Minister of Home Affairs na Hindu si masida si na hayo tisira kanda long dam dia pido me ngade sakana ayo hai biso tisidi ai pokliya.
Meeting of the 15th Scientific Advisory Committee of Krishi Vigyan Kendra KVK Thobal was held today at the conference hall of KVK Thobal. The committee discussed the action plan for the year 2020-21. Chairman of Director Committee of Department of Agriculture Latanpui Wachong, Deputy Director Extension Education of Central Agricultural University CAU, Iroshemba Dr. Deepak Nath, Principal Scientist of ICAR Lamphil Dr. I. Megachandra Singh and Project Coordinator of Manipur Small Farmers Agribusiness Consortium MS Khaidem were present in the meeting. Senior Scientist and Head of KVK Thobal and Member Secretary of the committee Dr. Sarangthim Jeshmarani said that the committee will evaluate the development projects taken up in the district. District offices of agriculture, horticulture and soils conservation, sericulture, veterinary, social welfare, fishery, Forest Department, bank representatives, agriculture officer of agriculture headquarters and farmers also took part in the committee meeting. A district-level advocacy cum training program under the aegis of Vandhan Vikas Kendra scheme was held at Technopal District Headquarters Community Hall today. Divisional Forest Officer Technopal Forest organized the program. Deputy Commissioner Technopal District M. Rajkumar, Deputy Conservator Forest Technopal Division Dr. Nashangthim Jesili, Technopal Village Chief John Zakholian Mate and Mera Food Proprietor Hanjabam Shubra Devi attended the program as guests. DC M. Rajkumar talked about ill effects of deforestation and ecological imbalance. He appealed to everyone to cultivate the habit of planting a sapling if one has to cut down a tree. He also urged the women folk of all self-help groups in Technopal and other places to use natural products found in forest for marketing under the Vandhan Vikas Kendra scheme. Proprietor of Mera Foods, Hanjabam Subra also spoke on the related topic as a resource person.
Upambi tumaga sabon naraga leminari bamagi ecosystem punne himinari baboto ekoi he kauthoyo aigi umang si laiba organization sing association sing mingthong sing gi group na so akoi ki lanni ai je khale araga umang sing ko apina han le yok bu ma tho je yam tai
Universal Friendship Organization Imphal East Headquarters No. 4 Thobal Kshetri Lekai celebrated its 18th Raising Day at its battalion headquarters Thobal Kshetri Lekai today. The program was held under the theme Universal Love and Peace. The event started with social worker Laitanthim Basanta unfurling the organization's flag embossed with the symbol of Lord Pakhangba. Several members of UFO across the state also attended the celebration. At the occasion, Scientific Defense Cultural Organization Sajjal Academy Joint General Commander Nankomba said that there are 228 branches of UFO in the state and outside, having 38 battalions. Now the sports news. YSDA Kshetri beat Sangayufam FC by 2-0 in the first match of the ongoing 6th Kayamuddin Memorial Open State Level Football Tournament today, while BRFC Yai School defeated KMYC Kairao Sabal by 3-0 in the second match. The tournament is being organized under the aegis of All-Round Development Organization Kairao Makting at Kairao Makting Sabal Lekai Youth Ground. The first major Maiba Tamara Singh Memorial Open Volleyball Tournament 2020 has kick-started today at Maibam Lekai, Bokul Makhong, Lewa Road, Imphal. The tournament is organized by Youth Man Development Organization Association. Inspector General of Police Zone 1 Clay Khongsai, former Vice Chancellor, Manipur University Dr. C. Amuba and other dignitaries attended the opening ceremony. Host team Young Man Development Association and Manipur Police Sports Club played the opening match. Chief guest of the function, Clay Khongsai, underlined on games and sports for maintaining good health among the youth. He also cited that every Indian state is now focusing on games and sports following Prime Minister Narendra Modi's nationwide FIT campaign.
For every sportsman, and not only that, there are many youngsters in society that drugs we need to bring them into this kind of games and sports that will inculcate healthy habits.
Amofa Moirang defeated PYA by 1-0 in the first semi-final match of the ongoing 13th Ziri Cup Invitation Football Tournament 2020 today. MPSC will clash with FC Lamjau in the second semi-final match tomorrow. The tournament is organized by Old Juribam Sports Association at Juribam High Secondary School Playground. The final match will be held on February 24th. The 10th Barak Games 2020 under the motto Unity in Diversity has kick-started at Barak Brothers Union Playground, Borobekra, Juribam district today. The game is being organized by Barak Brothers Union with an objective to uplift players and sports enthusiasts from the rural areas. Games like volleyball, football and cricket will be played during the sporting event. The opening volleyball match was played between Bhomikpara Ranger and Tuisen Muslim Club. Now, once again, the news headlines. Churachandpur District Hospital selected for upgradation into Medical College, says CM Virendra. Congress MLA KH Joy Kishan attacks Education Minister over Class 11 question paper leak. And coronavirus that toll surges with 2,126 deaths. Worldwide infection stands at over 75,600. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur for more updates.